Hey everybody, this is Mr. Ross. In this video we will be covering factors. What are factors? How do we find factors of a number? So on and so forth. So let's hop on into our definition at the top. Factors are the numbers that we multiply in order to equal a certain number. Now if we look at our first problem over here, we have 18 as a number that we are trying to find the factors of. Now in my classroom, I like to have the kids make factor rainbows. I always have the students start with 1 and the number when we are making our factor rainbow. 1 times the number is always just the number. So it's a good place to begin within our rainbow to connect the factor pair of 1 and itself. Then, if our number is even, which in this case 18 is even because our ones place is even, we have 2 as a factor as well. Okay, 2 times 9 equals 18, and therefore 2 connects to 9. They are factor pairs together. The last one for 18, we have 3 times 6 equals 18. And so now we have 3 and 6 on our factor rainbow connected to each other to show that they are a factor pair. And in all, we have factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. 6 numbers in all, but 3 factor pairs. Okay, we can also look at the rainbow and see how many bands there are on our rainbow, and that will tell us how many factor pairs there are as well. I see 3 bands, which means 3 pairs. If we look at the next one, 24, we have 1 and the number, right? Always start there. 1 and itself, or 1 and the number that we're working with. Since 24 is even, 2 is a factor, and 2's factor pair is 12. Together they make 24. We have our bands in our rainbow. They're connecting. So far, 4 factors in all, 2 factor pairs altogether, but there are a couple more. We also have 3 and 8. I'm going to have to squeeze it in. We have 4 and 6 as well. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. 8 factors in all, but 4 factor pairs. And once again, we can look at the number of bands in our rainbow. There are 4 different colored bands, or even if you're drawing it with a pencil, you'd see 4 bands regardless. That is 4 factor pairs for 24. Now I'm going to scroll down because I have a couple for you to try out. I still have the definition up there. Factors are the numbers that we are multiplying in order to equal a certain number. Well, here are a couple options for you to try out. Please find the factor pairs of 8 and of 15. Just like in other videos, I will show the answer in just a few moments. But until we get there, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you again, and here comes the answer.